Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And this is going to be a really cool video because this is what a lot of you guys have been waiting for since my last video where I installed the quad exhaust tips, resonator delete, muffler delete, and the M5 rear diffuser. And now it is finally time to hear what it sounds like. So I'm not going to make too long of an introduction, but here is the specs. Here are the specs of what I have done. Right now I am running a factory catalytic converter, stock catalytic converter, a resonator delete, and a muffler delete. Well, I say muffler. There are two muffler deletes, and I've installed 3.5-inch staggered quad exhaust tips, of course, underneath this M5 diffuser. The gloss black diffuser itself I got from eBay, and the insert is OEM BMW from an actual M5. I bought it brand new, that insert, and I put it on and it fit just right, and everything fits amazingly. It was great. It did take some time. It took a lot of effort to install, but we are done with it. So now let's take a listen at what a resonator and a muffler delete sounds like on a 535i with the N55. First things first though, cold start, as cold as it gets here in Houston in the summer. It's around 95 degrees right now, so cold start, not really that freezing, but you know, it's still a cold start nonetheless. So let's take a listen. I should say one thing very quickly before I get all the questions in the comments. This car does not have valves from factory. It did not have valves, and it doesn't have valves now. So switching from Sport to Sport Plus to Comfort to Eco Pro makes really very little difference in the sound other than the shifting, how late or early it shifts, which kind of affects the sound, but not really the volume of it. So everything that you're about to hear kind of is going to be what it sounds like when you're in Sport Plus with the valves open, or if you have no valves like I do. You can hear it idling here. Very nice idle. This is an Eco Pro right now. It's idling in Eco Pro. But like I said, there's no real difference in the sound. I know you guys are excited. I'm excited too. Let's hear what it sounds like. Note, this car now without a resonator and without a muffler, or without mufflers, it drones a lot. The dreaded drone is real. It is true. I didn't believe it. I thought I would be lucky for some reason, but it drones quite a lot. Thing is, it only drones around 70 miles an hour, 65-ish, 70 miles an hour, like 1800 RPM, 2000 RPM. It drones a lot. What gets you is not the high-end cruising speeds, but rather the acceleration. Whenever you're accelerating slowly, and you're an Eco Pro, for example, and you're shifting slowly, you hear every single gear change. It's kind of annoying, which is why I'm going to change the setup that I have, but that is for another video. Like I said, the only way you're going to find out is if you subscribe. So subscribe so you can find out what I'm going to do to this car. But it will drone a little bit. Well guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoyed hearing what a muffler and a resonator delete sounds like on an N55 535i, and I hope that you guys will subscribe, stay tuned, because there's a lot more coming for this car. We have just only started. If you haven't seen already, check out my other videos of this car, all of the modifications that I've done, and a lot of good stuff is coming on the way. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Take care.